brand gifted me this tabletop water fountain to try out, and it really is so beautiful. Assembly was really quick and only took a few minutes. I'll go ahead and show you the assembly process. It does come with instructions on how to install, and they're really easy to follow. So here's the cord. This cord is about 55 inches long. It's about 4.5 feet. Here's your plug for the wall, and then it has these two pieces that connect to the flower piece. So this just easily comes off. Set that aside. This is where the water goes, and then on the underside of the flower part is where these connect. So you can see this part attaches right here to this tubing. So you just push it through, make sure it's nice and tight. And then this part goes right here and it easily goes in. The instructions do say to make sure that the water pump arrows are at the maximum value. It's a little hard to see, but here's the plus sign and here's a minus sign so it can adjust. So I just have mine set to the plus side, which is the maximum, and everything's secure in here. And then there's a little groove right here for the cord to go. So you just put the cord through here and set it back down. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill it up with water and try it out. Okay, so I filled this up about halfway. Okay, and here's how it looks in action. So this is very pretty. The light does change color, so you can see it's going from green to blue. You can hear there's a light motor sound that you can hear, but it's really quiet. Green and blue again. The water pump is set to maximum right now, so you could always adjust this if you want it to be more of a trickle. Okay, so I did adjust it. I turned the water off, and then I just made sure that this plate was flat, so now the water is kind of going more in the center as well. It does include some little rocks that you can place on the plate, and I'm probably going to hot glue mine down. That way if I have to turn off the machine to add more water or just change out the water, I don't have to take all the rocks off by hand. This is the gold lotus flower design, and it really looks so elegant. The gold design and the flowing water really give this a spa-like feel. This is a compact water fountain, so it'd be great for a desk, an entryway, bathroom, kitchen countertop, just anywhere that you want to add an elegant, relaxing feel. This would make a really great gift for anyone that loves water features, home decor, or just creating relaxing spaces in their house. So after you do unplug it, some of the water stays in the petals, so you just want to carefully tilt and let the water drain out. So very carefully. That way it can dry off between uses and the water's not sitting there. So here's the final look after I hot glued on all of these river rocks. That way whenever the water's flowing over, these will stay in place. And yeah, it turned out great. I just used a hot glue gun. I didn't even think about the fact that the hot glue might not be water resistant, but the water is such a soft trickle flow. I think it'll be fine. But if you're doing this, you might want to consider using some kind of a waterproof glue or adhesive. But this is already done, so oh well, I already used the hot glue gun, so it looks like it's really secure. It looks great. And I did this that way whenever you are emptying out your water and you have to lift this up and drain the water out, the rocks will stay in place. So that's why I wanted to go ahead and secure them on to the piece, and I kind of just decided on how I wanted the rocks configured. I did use all of the rocks that were included, and here's the final result. So again, this is a really beautiful water fountain. I think having the rocks on there really adds to the aesthetic, and this is a great gift and very tranquil water fountain. So if you want to add some tranquil ambiance to your space or looking for a gift for someone, this is a great option.